Hi, I'm Dana, the Hospice Administrator, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to add your employees into Hospice Tools. To add a new user into Hospice Tools EMR, click More in the toolbar and select User Management. Click New User in the top left corner. The red stars are required fields in the system. Fill out the user's personal information and additional information if needed. Next, add employment information. You'll choose the worker type, employment type, if they will earn PTO, and their start date. The blue question mark will explain what each section means. The job title or titles assigned to your user will determine their permissions within Hospice Tools. Select all job titles that apply for this user. All volunteers should have their own individual login, apart from any other job titles. Then choose their primary job title if there is more than one. Clinical credentials determine which clinical forms and documents the user can create and submit. System access defines system permissions that are not tied to a specific job function. You will choose which office or offices you want each user to have access to. There is a test sandbox office to practice in the EMR and your live office. You will select their employment status as active or inactive. Mentor QA review can be turned on and off for each user. You can set up general document review and/or specific document review. You will choose who you want the reviewer to be from the drop-downs. You will then select the percentage of documents you want to be reviewed. If it is less than 100%, the system will randomly choose which ones will need to be approved. If you choose per document, you will select the document from the drop-down and can choose the percentage for that specific document. More than one document can be selected. Click Create to add user. The Address tab allows you to input the user's home address and will autofill the address as you type it in. Click Save. The Employment tab has the employment history for each user that can be edited. The employment information that was selected when adding the user will show. Compensation methods can be added for each user. Click New, then select the worker type, compensated for, the method, and the dates before saving. To adjust a user's PTO, click New, and then choose the start date and end date unless it's ongoing. Choose the earn rate, flat hours, and can add notes in the free text box before clicking Save. Click the HR tab, then click Edit at the bottom to add information. Can add last TB screening, their driver's license, and auto insurance with the option to upload both. Anything uploaded in the EMR is PDF format. Click the Update button at the bottom to save. Under the Activity tab, you'll see the activity for this user for eDocs and Timekeeper, including the mobile apps. The Other tab is where you can turn off the calendar notification emails per user. Click Deactivate to stop the user's account without deleting in case they are attached to important documentation. Lock and Unlock will lock the user's account, which can be unlocked when needed. Reset Password provides 3 options to help the user log back in. You can also enable 2-factor authentication for each user. And that's a quick look at how to add your team into Hospice Tools. Hospice Tools, how hospice happens.